Now let's switch back to the grid view. If you notice, initially there is no selected attribute, but if I selected year here, it will give me some summary information about the selected attribute, which is the distinct values and the occurrence of each value. Here in the bottom, it will give me a set of data actions that I can apply on this column. For example, I can click on duplicate to duplicate an attribute. It will make an exact copy of this attribute, so you can use it as a base for a new attribute. For now, I will remove this one. Remove. Also, you can rename an attribute. You can select a new name here and click apply. You can remove it. You can convert it to text. This is based on the data type. Now, because here is a numeric attribute, I can convert it to text. This can happen if I want to treat some numeric values as a text. For example, like branch number or color code. Here also, I can make a group by selection. To see an example for group by selection, I will go here to SKU description column. I will select this column and select group by selection action. And in the first group, I will name it t-shirts. Under this group, I will select any t-shirt product. For example, this one is a t-shirt. This one is a shirt or t-shirt. This one as well, and so on. I can create another group for sweaters, and I will add any sweater product to this group. For example, this one is a sweater. This one also is a sweater, and this one as well, and so on. I suggest you to complete the assignment with this lecture in order to complete all the groups that we have. We need this while we are practicing the visualize step. For now, click OK. And now we have a new column, SKU description group. As you noticed, we have two other options here. Group remaining values as others, so any value that not mapped to a group will map under others category or others group, or it will keep the original values. So it will keep the original value, it will be displayed as a group in this case. Now I click here. We have also group by range. In the group by range data action, we need to give a new dimension name. This will be the new group dimension, and we need to identify the number of intervals that we need to create and the start and end for our dimensions. By default, the start value will be the first value in our attribute, and the last two will be the last value in our attribute. And if there is anything remaining or any unmapped values, it will map under others. For now, I will click OK. And finally, we have a create a calculated dimension here. We can create a calculated dimension from a specific attribute. For example, here I notice that we have city and we have state, but we don't have a country column. So let's start creating a country column. I will click on state and I will create a new calculated dimension. I will name this as country, and I will use a static value for country, which United States, as all the states and cities listed here are inside United States. I will click on OK, and I have a new country column created here.